Hello fellas, it's your boy Daniel, and in today's video we're going to be talking about Arichain Wallet Airdrop and why you should join this. Okay, I'm going to be explaining why you should join this and how to join. Okay, so in today's video we're going to be focusing on three main things, which is what is Arichain Airdrop, why you should join Arichain Airdrop, and how to join this very airdrop. Alright, really simple, really easy. But if you're not caught up for the whole story, you don't want the long story, you just want to learn how to sign up for this and run, then all you have to do is to go to the description of this very video and search for the timestamp that says how to create an account or sign up for Arichain Wallet. Okay, just search for that very timestamp. I leave timestamp to almost all my videos. Okay, so what is actually Arichain Wallet Airdrop? It's really simple, right? Arichain is actually a layer 1 blockchain platform that focuses on Web3 transition, okay, particularly for Web2 companies aiming to create a massive digital entertainment experience with user ownership. Okay, now this very airdrop, they're working on utilizing delegated reputation proof of stake consensus algorithm for high transaction speed and enhanced security. Now Arichain also offers Ari Wallet, a digital asset management application designed for ease of use with features like your email and advanced security. So the bottom line of this, the summary of this, is that Arichain is trying to connect Web2 to Web3. While doing that, they also plan to add scalability, speed, and security to this, okay, to the best they can. Okay, so this is something you shouldn't miss. Now, why should you join this very airdrop? This is what I'll tell you. Arichain is a Web3 airdrop, right? And these guys are just like giving away free internet money just for trying them out. All right, they are rewarding you for participating in the testnet, trying out their product, which is actually their wallet. Okay, so this is how Web3 works. It's a super easy way to grab some coins that might become something or worth something later, and it's just a way to understand how the Web3 world works. Okay, so just think of it as a free sample feature of the internet, right? These guys actually reward you for trying out their wallet, so there's no harm in doing this. Zero cost. All you just have to do is to download the wallet, follow what I'll be showing you right now, and you are good to go. Plus, this is a Web3 wallet. Most Web3 wallet tends to do well. Okay, so this is not something you should avoid or ignore for anything. Okay, so we're going to head over to how to actually download this wallet and create your account and start farming this very airdrop right away. So let's get into it right now. So the first thing you have to do is to open up your Google Play Store. I don't know if this is on Apple Store because I don't use an Apple device, but once you open up your Google Play Store for Android users, just come over to this very place that says search, click on search, and let's search for Arichain in the search bar, right? And this is Arichain. We're just going to hit on search, and this is Arichain Wallet right here. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and install this very wallet right now. So in a few moments this is going to conclude, and you can see it is done installing. We're just going to go ahead and click on enable and open this up right away. So there are two sections right here, which is the testnet and mainnet. So the mainnet is coming soon, it's not yet available, so we're going to go with the testnet. Of course, this is where we're meant to place our focus on, so we're going to click on testnet right now. So we are being asked to enter our email and password. This is for login, okay, for those who have already signed up for this but logged out and want to log back in. So we're doing this for the first time, so we're going to be going with the sign up option right here. Now this is going to ask you to agree to the terms and condition, which you can see right here, so just tick that, and once you tick that right now, you click on next, and now we are meant to enter our email. Okay, enter our email and verify the email. So I'm just going to quickly enter my email right here, and I'm going to click on email verification right now, and it says, do you want to send a verification code? I'm going to say yes, and once you click on yes, this is going to send a verification code to your email, right? But for the meantime, this is what you're meant to focus on, right? You're meant to type these words exactly as it is shown in this box. Okay, so we're going to type EVULKD. Now yours is going to be different, so don't expect it to be the same word as you see in mine. So I'm going to go ahead and click on OK right now. Okay, and this is loading up, and it says verification has been sent to your email. So we're going to head over to my email right now and quickly refresh this, right? And this is Arichain at the top. I'm going to click on Arichain right now, and this is the code right here. I'm going to copy it and come back to this, click on OK, and paste the email verification code right here. So I'm going to click on this and type in my password real quick, and then come back to this very video. So after typing my password, I'm going to confirm it here again, and after confirming it, I'll have to enter a referral code. Okay, you have to enter a referral code. This usually tends to increase your points. I'll leave my referral code in the description of this video. I'm just going to grab a random invitation code on the internet and just fix it in here. All right, but if you need an invitation code, you'll find one in the description of this video and in the pinned comment. So I just fixed in the invitation code I just saw right now, and I'm going to click on next right now. Okay, this is loading up. Okay, so this is going to lead us to the next page right now, and it says my master key. Okay, this is my master key, and I'm not going to be sharing this with you because it's usually private. Okay, this is not meant to be shared with anyone, just like your passphrase. So I'm going to copy this and save this in my notepad for the meantime, then we proceed with this very video. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on OK right now, and voila, we are in, guys. We are actually in. So you can see right here, this is daily check-in, and to earn on this very app, you basically have to do two things, and those two things are performing the daily check-in and quiz. Okay, it's really that simple. Okay, so I'm going to click on check-in right now because we are actually starting from day one. If you're doing this for the first time, I'm going to click on check-in right now, and this will be checked from day 7. You earn 50 points. This day 7 is right here. You earn 50 points if you do this consistently for 7 days. You don't miss a day. Okay, because the way this works is that if you miss a day, you have to start from day 1. Even if you've reached day 6 and you miss a day, you always have to start from day 1. This is how daily check-ins in most crypto mining apps works. Okay, so I'm going to click on close right now. Okay, so right here in the home page, you can see a lot of tasks you have to do. We have the daily section, we have the general section, we have the collabs section, right? And if you look right here, you see what we call the daily check-in and the quiz. Now, this is what I want to say. The basic way to earn on this app is to do the daily check-in and the quiz. Okay, these are the two basic ways to earn on this very app. This is what will earn you more money on this very app. But this is daily mission, which you can also partake in. Make sure you perform the daily mission. I think we have to connect our Twitter accounts. Okay, we have to read this. It says complete the Arichain Twitter mission and get 30 RG. Now, reward is 30 RG. How to participate? You have to click the go button below. Visit Arichain X Twitter, retweet and like the post, receive your airdrop, right? Events period, March 18, 2025 until coin runs out. So notice, distribution may take some time and normal participation may result in restriction on rewards. Join now. So I'm going to click on go, and this is going to redirect us to Twitter, right? Yeah, redirect us to Twitter. And okay, so it says processing, right? It says processing. So I think this has just loaded up, and you can see right here task 1 of 3 is completed. There are actually 3 tasks. We have completed 1, and this one has said done right now. So task 2, which is Twitter, is processing. Once it is done processing, you're going to see 2 of 3 right here. So the last one right here is the quiz. Okay, so it says participate in the daily quiz and earn coins. Reward is 30 ARI plus bonus every day. So how to participate is you take the quiz, you choose the correct answer, get your coins after answering correctly. So the event period is March 4, 2025 until coin runs out. The notice is this is limited to once per day. If you answer incorrectly, no reward will be given. So you have to click the go button and complete this very quiz. Now, just so you don't make mistake, all you have to do is to head over to Twitter. Twitter is one place you can get questions or ideas regarding this. Okay, so what you have to do is to click on go right now to see the question that will be given to you. Okay, the quiz that will be given to you. Then we head over to Twitter and get that very answer. You can also do it on Facebook. You can get the answer on Facebook. Just go to Facebook search bar and search for the question. Okay, now the question right here is, what is the main purpose of the storage fund provided by Arichain? Let me see if I can copy this. Okay, no, I can't. So I'm just going to minimize this right now. Open up my Twitter real quick, and then I'm going to go to the search bar right here and type in what is the main purpose of the storage funds provided by Arichain. Okay, and then hit search. So this is the quiz for today, and I believe that we're going to get the answer for this right now. So you can see this says answer to Ari Wallet quiz. What is the main purpose of the storage fund provided by Arichain? It says number 3 is the correct answer, which you can see in the picture right here. But we're not just going to rely on this. We're going to scroll down again to see if anyone answered this correctly. Okay, again, so this guy right here also picked number 3. So it's obvious that number 3 is the answer. So we're just going to head over here and select 3. Okay, and click on check. let's see whether we got this. Okay, supporting long term. So it says congratulations, you've earned 30 Ari coins, and you can see this added up right here immediately. Okay, for answering correctly, we got 30 Ari coins. I'm going to click on OK right now, and you can see for the Twitter mission, this is done. For the daily check-in, this is done, and for the daily quiz, this is also correct. So mission 3 of 3 is complete. So if you want to earn more points right now, you can go to the general section and then you perform all these tasks. It's simple, just like you've been doing before. You follow them on Twitter, you visit ARICHAIN on Twitter, you join their Discord channel, you visit Telegram, you visit X on Twitter. Then the collabs, of course, you get 300 Ari for doing this, 20 Ari for doing this, 20 RG for doing this. Okay, RG is actually different from the Ari. Okay, so this is where the RG tokens come to, and this is for ARICHAIN. You can see for ARICHAIN I got just 110 points right here, and I believe that is for using an invitation code. I believe that is for using an invitation code, and the daily check-in, I think. So this is basically how it works. Okay, let me just perform this very Twitter tag so you can see how this RG works. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and follow them right now and just head back to ARICHAIN. You can see it's processing, so it's currently processing right now, and this might not work immediately, but you just have to refresh this and it says done. So you can see 50 RG right here. This is how you perform all these tasks. Okay, you can also click on this hamburger sign at the top right here. Just click on this hamburger sign and you can explore all this. This is where you see your master key, and this is your referral code. Okay, just in case you want to share this with your family and friends. Of course, you should share this with your family and friends. Now, from the information flying around, ARICHAIN has raised 10 million in seed funding, and the total supply of this very cryptocurrency is going to be capped at 500 million according to the information flying around. Okay, so this is something you shouldn't miss. 10 million funding, just like source of value airdrop. So this is one airdrop you shouldn't miss. Okay, hop into this right now while you still have the chance. Okay, it's not too early, but it's not too late. Okay, this airdrop is going to be concluding in Q2 of this year. Okay, which is, you still have May and June. Okay, so get into this right now and see what you can get out of this. Now, one of the beauties of ARICHAIN is that you can actually receive tokens in this wallet and you can send out. Okay, if you want to reward someone, let me say a family or a friend, you can actually send tokens to them on ARICHAIN and you can receive from them. Okay, if you want to send, you have to get their wallet address, and their wallet address is gotten here, which is, if you click on receive right now, click on copy, right, this is where they get their wallet address, right? This is what you also give to someone that wants to send to you, and you click on send right here. If you tend to send, you ask them for their wallet address. If you ask them for it, they paste it here and you type in the amount you want to enter, or if you want to just enter, let me say 10% of your entire holding, you just select 10%. If it's 25%, you select 25%, 50%, or even 100%, and that's it. There is no memo. You enter your password so the system can confirm it's really you, and you click on next. Okay, and the transaction will go through. But from what I heard, you have to perform your KYC first before you be able to do this. Okay, I'm going to show you how to perform your KYC in my next video. Okay, when that also becomes available for me, I'm going to look up that, right? And I'm also going to show you how to add your security cycle to this. Okay, now, to also add people to your security cycle, all you have to do is to come over to this very place that says contacts right here, right? Just click on contacts and then you click on add contact, and what you have to do is to enter your wallet name. I can just enter Dan Pat Crypto right here, and I'm going to enter the wallet address I want to add to my security cycle, right? I'm going to enter, let me say, your wallet address, and I'll click on save, and immediately I enter your wallet address, I have automatically added you to my security cycle. By having someone that's active, this is going to show that your account is not a bot account. Okay, and by so doing, you qualify for this very airdrop. So this is basically what I want to share with you in today's video. This is ARICHAIN Wallet, Ari Airdrop, a Web3 airdrop, a layer 1 project. Okay, a project that is solid, something you shouldn't miss. So with this, we have come to the end of this video. If you want to join right now, I'll leave the code to this very airdrop in the description of this video and the pinned comment. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like and share to create awareness. If you also want to stay updated, then make sure you follow our social media handle using the link in the video description. If this is the first time stopping by, then subscribe and turn the notification bell on to all, so that whenever I drop new videos about ARICHAIN Wallet, you'll be one of the first to get notified, alright? Because I'm going to be dropping updates regarding this very project, so do not miss that update. And the way you stay updated is by turning on your notification bell after subscribing. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace.